It feels nice to sit here and read today.
Yes, the library is very quiet right now.
What book are you reading today, Mark?
I chose a mystery novel. The story is interesting so far.
I love mystery books. They can be hard to put down.
Yes, I want to guess who the thief is. Do you like your book?
Yes, my book is about travel. The writer describes many new places.
That sounds interesting. Do you want to travel someday?
Yes, I do. This book makes me dream about it more.
I always find new ideas in books. They make me want to learn.
Me too. Sometimes one book can change how I see things.
Do you come to the library often, Julia?
Yes, I try to visit every week. It is peaceful here.
Maybe I will try to come more often as well.
We can read together next time too.
Thank you for inviting me to read with you today.
I enjoyed it very much. Have a great afternoon. It feels so nice to sit here in the park.
Yes, the weather is very good today. The sun is shining brightly.
I really enjoy afternoons like this. Everything looks beautiful in the sunlight.
Sometimes I think we do not spend enough time outside.
Do you try to go out often during sunny days?
Recently, I try to walk in the park more. Even a short time in the sun helps my mood.
I agree. I feel happier when I get some fresh air and sunshine.
Sometimes at work, I stand by the window and look at the sun for a few minutes.
I do that too. My desk is next to a big window, so I get a little sun every morning.
That sounds nice. I think sunlight makes any day better.
In winter, I miss the sun a lot. The days feel so short and gray.
Me too. That is why I enjoy days like this when the park is full of light.
The flowers look brighter now. The sun makes all the colors stand out.
Do you have plans for the evening, or are you just relaxing?
I am just relaxing today. Maybe I will walk a little more before I go home.
That is a good plan. Enjoy the sun while you can.
Thank you for sitting here with me. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful walk and a bright day.
It is such a nice day at the park today.
Yes, the weather is perfect. I love sitting here with you.
I always feel peaceful when I come here. The sound of the birds is very relaxing.
I agree. I often come to this park to read a book or walk.
Do you have a favorite spot in the park?
Yes, I like the small bridge by the pond. The view is beautiful from there.
I remember once we saw a family of ducks near that pond. It was so sweet.
That was a nice day. I took many pictures of the ducks that time.
Maybe we can walk to the pond again later. I would like to see if the ducks are there.
Have you visited other parks in the city?
Yes, but this is my favorite. The trees are so tall and the paths are always clean.
I think this park has a special charm. It is quiet but full of life.
It is also a nice place to meet friends and talk.
That is true. I enjoy our conversations here.
The sunshine feels good this afternoon. We should enjoy it while it lasts.
Yes, I am glad we came here today.
Thank you for joining me at the park.
Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you for coming over, David. I always enjoy our conversations.
Thank you for inviting me, Julia. Your home always feels comfortable.
Do you like this table? I just got it last month.
Yes, I do. The wood looks really nice, and it feels strong.
It is handmade. I wanted a big table for guests and family.
That is a great idea. Sitting together at a table makes conversations nicer.
I agree. This table is already special for me. I had dinner here with my parents last week.
That sounds lovely. Did you cook for them?
Yes, I made pasta. We laughed a lot and talked for hours.
Sometimes small things like a meal at the table make the best memories.
I think so too. I try to have dinner at the table every day, not in front of the television.
That is a good habit. I often eat quickly, but maybe I should slow down and enjoy it more.
You are always welcome to join me for dinner here, David.
Thank you, Julia. I will bring dessert next time.
That sounds perfect. I love sweet things after a meal.
Maybe we can invite a few more friends and use all the seats around the table.
That would be wonderful. It would make this table feel even more special.
Thank you for the tea, Julia. Have a great afternoon.
Thank you for coming. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Good afternoon, Sophia. How are you today?
Hello, Lucas. I am well, thank you. I am ready to learn some new things.
That is great. Today we can work more with the computer if you like.
Yes, please. I want to feel more comfortable using it at work.
No problem. Let us start by turning on your laptop. The power button is here.
Ah, I see it now. Sometimes I search for it and feel silly.
You are not alone. Many people forget where the button is. Now it is on.
It is already showing my desktop. That was quick.
Yes, these computers are quite fast. Do you want to try opening a document?
I do. Let me find the icon for my documents. Is it this folder here?
Yes, that is correct. Click on the folder. Good job.
I found my work file. I am learning so much already.
You are doing very well. Technology becomes easier with practice.
Sometimes the computer feels complicated, but I like learning step by step.
Step by step is the best way. If you ever have a problem, I am here to help.
Thank you, Lucas. I feel more confident after today.
You are welcome, Sophia. Have a good afternoon.
Hello, Leonardo. The kitchen smells so fresh today.
Hello, Clara. I noticed the fruit on the table. It looks very colorful.
Yes, I bought some apples, oranges, and bananas this morning. The market had many fresh fruit.
Do you like to eat fruit every day? I try, but sometimes I forget.
I do. I start my day with an apple or a banana. It gives me energy.
I think fruit is important, but I do not always have some at home.
It can be easy to forget. Maybe you can put a small bowl of fruit on your table too.
That is a good idea. I like the way the fruit looks. It makes the kitchen bright.
Would you like to try a piece? The oranges are very sweet today.
Yes, please. Orange is my favorite fruit.
Here you go. I will have an apple. Sometimes I make fruit salad, especially in summer.
Do you add other things to your fruit salad? My mother adds a little honey.
I also like a bit of honey. Sometimes I put a few nuts or some yogurt.
That sounds wonderful. Fruit is healthy and makes a good dessert.
Yes, and it is easy to prepare. I think I will eat more fruit this week.
Thank you for the orange and the ideas, Clara.
You are welcome, Leonardo. Enjoy your afternoon.
It feels nice to sit here before the movie starts.
I agree. The cinema lobby is always cozy in the evening.
Do you remember the last film we watched together here?
Yes, I do. It was a big superhero film. You were so excited about it.
I really enjoy seeing action movies on the big screen. The sound and picture are amazing.
I love the cinema for that reason too. The experience is so different from watching at home.
Today feels special. I heard this film has great reviews. People say the story is beautiful.
Is it a drama or a comedy? I cannot remember.
It is a comedy with some drama. I think it is a nice mix.
Perfect. I love to laugh and feel something real at the same time.
I sometimes come to the cinema alone too. It is strange, but I enjoy it.
I understand that. Sitting in the dark, you can forget about everything else for a while.
Yes, the popcorn always tastes better here too.
I always get popcorn. It is my small cinema tradition.
Maybe after the film we can get some tea and talk about it.
That sounds lovely. I always enjoy our talks after movies.
The doors are opening now. Let us find our seats.
I am ready for a good film. Thank you for inviting me.
This afternoon feels very nice, Carla.
Yes, it does. The sunlight makes the room feel so calm.
Do you like the music I am playing in the background?
I do. It is relaxing. I often listen to quiet music when I read.
I think music can really change the mood of a room.
I agree. I always play soft songs while I cook. It helps me enjoy cooking more.
That is true for me with cleaning. Music makes it less boring.
Last weekend, I listened to jazz while I cleaned the house. I even danced a little.
Jazz is fun. Have you ever tried making your own music?
Once, I wrote a short song for guitar, but it was simple. Have you created music before?
I made a few beats on my computer last year. It was hard, but very interesting.
That sounds creative, Lucas. Did you share them with anyone?
Only with my brother. He laughed because one beat was a little strange.
Sometimes strange music is the most fun to listen to.
Maybe we can listen together one day, or even try to make a song.
I like that idea. Thank you for inviting me over today.
Thank you for coming, Carla. Enjoy the rest of your day.
This park feels so peaceful today. I like coming here after work.
I agree. It is really calming. The weather is perfect for sitting outside.
Did you ride your bicycle here? I see it parked next to us.
Yes, I brought my bicycle today. I enjoy cycling around the city when the sun is out.
That sounds lovely. I have not used my bicycle in months. It is just collecting dust in my garage.
Maybe you should start riding again. It is a great way to relax and exercise.
You are right. I remember how much I liked riding along the river path last year.
I got lost once while exploring a new bicycle trail. In the end, I found a beautiful little pond.
That sounds fun. I enjoy finding new places unexpectedly.
Maybe we could go for a short ride together next weekend.
I would love that. We could bring snacks and stop somewhere quiet.
Great idea. I know a spot near the lake with benches and large trees.
Do you ever ride your bicycle to work, or only for fun?
Mostly for fun. The traffic is busy near my office, so I prefer walking there.
That makes sense. Sometimes I see people rushing with their bicycles during rush hour. It looks stressful.
It can be. That is why I choose quiet parks and side streets when I ride.
Thank you for inviting me to ride together. I am really looking forward to it.
Me too, Laura. It will be fun to explore the city by bicycle together.
Have a great evening, Pedro.
You too, Laura. See you soon. Hi, Elena. It is nice to see you here. Are you just walking on this street too?
Hello, Lucas. Yes, I like to walk here after work. The street is always lively at this time.
I agree. There's so many small shops, and the flowers look beautiful today.
I often stop by that florist. The bright flowers make the street look very colorful.
Do you buy flowers here sometimes? I never tried, but the smell is always nice.
Yes, sometimes I take a small bouquet home for my table. It brings some color inside.
That sounds peaceful. My home could use more color, I think.
Maybe you should buy some flowers today too, Lucas. These flowers make me smile.
Maybe I will try that. Do you have a favorite flower that I should choose?
I like sunflowers because they are so bright, but the roses also look nice today.
Thank you. I will look at both. This street always feels friendly with these colors.
It really does. Sometimes I sit on that bench and watch the people or read a book.
That sounds like a relaxing habit after a busy day. I always rush, but maybe I should stop sometimes too.
Just a little break can change the whole day. The street is perfect for that.
You are right. Maybe I will sit and watch the street for a bit after I finish shopping.
That is a good idea. Enjoy your walk and your shopping, Lucas.
Thank you, Elena. Have a great evening on this beautiful street.
Thank you so much. I hope to see you here again soon.